lesson plan, we decided to do it on geographic regions such as oceans and different things like that. And in this video, you see the 3D printer printing the 3D model that we will have our students use in order to recognize the different vocabulary words such as volcanoes, deserts, mountains, canyons, oceans, islands, and hills. 3D printing is very important and vital in this lesson plan because we really wanted our students to have a hand-on model that they can use in order to recognize these important images. All right, so with our 7 vocabulary words, we have volcano, desert, mountains, canyons, ocean, island, hills. We really don't see any volcanoes with our 3D model, but it's good that we can see the big mountain and the little mountain. And here on our landforms chart, we have the picture of the mountains here. Next, we do see an ocean. If you look closely right here, it has land surrounding the outer parts and the ocean is right there. It's pretty far from the mountains. You really don't, see it too close, but there's the ocean. Next, let's see, we have a river, a little space right here with the land around each side. We have a river right here. We have an island, and an island is when water is surrounded by land on all sides. So if you look closely, we have a little island here. You also see some humps and bumps, the desert, things like that. So this is just a great model of our different vocabulary words and how they're displayed in our 3D model that we use with 3D printing.
As you can see, this is a better image of what Jasmine was talking about. And this is an artistic rendering of our model. This kind of goes over what we had in mind when we were designing our project and gives a better view of what these landforms would actually look like to help the students better understand what the mountains and canyons and things like that would actually be looking like when they're in nature, seeing them for themselves. This is another video of our 3D image or our 3D model being printed. And this is more images to further explain to the students what they would be looking at. This model gives a better view of all of the landforms put together. And these are the projects that we found that we could have the students doing in class. Our goal for this project is to teach 1st and 2nd graders. And here's a video of the vocabulary words that we plan to use in our lesson.